Hey everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started with our legs straight out in front of us. You can open your legs a little bit as you slide your hands down, coming into a forward fold. Slowly begin to make your way onto your back. Keep your feet planted on your mat with your knees bent. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, coming into your bridge pose. Slowly lower your hips back down. Again, come back into that bridge pose. And lower your hips back down. Extend your right leg up towards the ceiling with the foot flexed. Grab behind your right hamstring. Start to bend your right leg, bending that knee. And we straighten. Again, we bend. And we straighten. One more time, let's bend. And straighten. Start to flex and point your toes. Let's keep our foot flexed as you pull that right leg closer to you. Maybe working your hands up the leg a little closer to the calf. Place your right ankle on top of your left knee for a figure 4. You have the option to lift your legs, either grabbing behind your left hamstring or in front of your left knee. Let's lower both feet back down onto the mat. Now let's extend our left leg up towards the ceiling. Grab behind your left hamstring as you start to bend your leg. And you straighten. Let's bend and straighten. One more time, you bend. And you straighten. Begin to flex and point your toes. Flex your foot as you pull your leg closer towards you, maybe working your hands up the leg. Place your left ankle on top of the right knee and come into your figure 4. Lower your feet back down. And now hug your knees into your chest. Lower your legs to the left side of the room, coming into your stacked supine twist. Make your way to the other side. Make your way back to center with the feet planted on your mat. Knees are bent. Place your arms at your sides as you take some deep, calming breaths. Take one more deep inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.